The limestone walls stand as cold monuments, marking a distant, silent, and divine order. White smoke rises from heavy bronze censers, held by men who walk with measured steps. Stone saints gaze from the heights, looking down upon silent and empty plazas. Gold leaf reflects flickering candles, burning inside dark and vaulted cathedral naves. Iron gates remain closed, shutting out the common and exhausted subjects of the city. Monks move through granite cloisters, never speaking a single word to their fellow brothers. Marble floors lead to wooden doors, guarding the central and administrative papal chambers. Every ritual follows a rigid schedule, dictated by the ringing of heavy bells. Pilgrims stand in long lines, awaiting official blessings issued by invisible and cold hands. The smell of incense masks the air, hiding the stagnant and foul odor of the river. Clerks record daily offerings, using ledgers bound in thick leather and rusted iron. Water trickles into stone basins, where high officials wash their hands in absolute silence. Crimson tapestries hang from walls, hiding the damp gray stone of inner chambers. The city appears as a singular body, governed by the ancient laws of the priesthood. Order is maintained through constant prayers, echoing across vast and desolate stone squares. Family seals are pressed into wax, certifying private and illegal transfers of land. Heavy bags of silver are counted, securing the next election behind locked palace doors. Armored men stand in secret corridors, leading toward hidden church treasuries. Sacred offices are sold to bidders during dark and silent midnight watches. Rivals are removed from the streets and placed into cells beneath castle walls. The scent of vinegar fills the rooms, where records of dead men are rewritten. Poison is measured in glass vials, kept inside the desks of high-ranking officials. Every movement is observed by shadows, lurking behind thick velvet palace curtains. The appointment of bishops depends on loyalty, as powerful families control political choice. Forged documents are hidden in stone, sealed inside the bases of ancient saints. Blood is scrubbed from tiled floors before morning prayers are allowed to begin. The heavy ring of the fisherman is worn by men who have never seen the sea. Gold is stripped from altars, paying the wages of foreign mercenary soldiers. Factions communicate through iron keys, the only language of absolute power. Bodies are wrapped in plain linen and dropped into the river without formal rites. Palace walls absorb the sounds of struggle, witnessing battles for total dominance. Loyalty is bought with immunity, placing men above the laws of common humanity. Sacred robes are used as disguises for those navigating danger beneath holy cloth. Truth becomes a managed commodity, controlled by scribes and official records. The throne remains the ultimate prize, claimed by those who survive family wars. Servants carry heavy trays of food, never lifting their eyes from palace floors. Guards watch narrow intersections, preventing unauthorized gatherings of the people. Bakers deliver daily bread, while avoiding the gaze of standing palace soldiers. Common people learn that safety exists only in total compliance. Clerks copy new decrees while ignoring screams from deep, lower dungeons. Neighbors stop speaking to one another, fearing implication in political purges. Masons repair fortifications, working under constant supervision of tax collectors. Every family pays a portion of income, sustaining palace luxury and power. People learn to exist within margins, following brutal and shifting legal codes. Men choose to work in damp cellars, hoping to remain unnoticed by the state. Attendance at rituals is mandatory, exposing those who harbor silent dissent. Silence in the markets is intentional, enforced by paid and hidden informants. Women wash stained clothes, standing in cold water at public fountains. Survival requires mechanical precision and obedience to district clerks. Letters are never sent, for fear censors will open and read every page. Streets are emptied before sunset to avoid armed patrols. Individuals become invisible numbers, existing only within official records. Knowledge of the state becomes a burden, leading its holder toward an early grave. The people endure heavy taxes, while city walls slowly crumble into decay. Human dignity is traded for hope that officials will ignore their existence. Names of the dead are erased, making room for new entries. The institution remains standing, while generations are buried in dust. New leaders occupy cold rooms where previous men met dark ends. Stones outlast suffering, trapping forgotten souls within heavy walls. The holy machine continues its work, while people are consumed and forgotten.